Hey everyone, it's Mira here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Sorry, I have a very bad cough. I'm saying hi to Milo. I'm sorry, everyone. Yeah, I have very bad. Milo. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. I got my little buddy here, Sam. Yeah, it's not going very well for me. I know my hair's a mess. Well, my best friend died. Well, I don't know. It's sad. I'm not gonna tell you how. It's too sad. But back to my cat. I missed his funeral because my mom didn't set the alarm. She said she did, even though I did. See. Oh, hi. It's a YouTube video. Wait, get back here. You're on YouTube. I have a very bad cough. Boing.
Yeah, you ate some very bad raw.
No, I have a cough. He always does this. No, a cough. He always does it. It's so annoying. It's a cough.
I'm gonna look in your closet for a minute for a thingamajig.
Okay, whatever.
I just smell like pancakes.
I don't know. It smells like pancakes. For some reason, it smells like pancakes in my room. Okay, try to get a screenshot or the thumbnail. Never look into a cat's eyes. Hello! Where is he off to? Yeah, I've been Mountain Dew and Mr. Monkey. Sorry there, I had a cough attack. Okay.